Christian Association of Nigeria, you guys are useless. You guys are useless to the core. Am I even saying useless? You guys are wicked. Christian leaders are wicked. You guys are very wicked. These people are following you. Your members are following you because they believe that Christianity is the way. Because they believe that Jesus Christ is the way. I don't know how you manage to do this. I don't know how you manage to lock the brains of Christians, of our people in the name of Christianity. But you guys are wicked. Joshua Maponga said, how do you expect a man to preach against what is feeding him? You guys are only doing Christianity, all this preaching, all this blah blah blah, just for your pocket, just for your stomach. You guys know how this world works. You guys know that Christianity is not the way. You guys believe that death is a normal thing. That's why you allow people die even though they are your members. That's why you allow people's properties to be destroyed even though they are your members. Because you know how this place works. You know that this world is the survival of the fittest. You guys know that Jesus Christ or praying to Jesus Christ is not saving anybody. And I keep blaming those that are still following you also for their stupidity. I was a Christian. I lived with a Christian family. I didn't grow up to know my dad as a native doctor. But that's what they said. He's a native doctor. But I don't know which aspect of native doctor he did. Native doctor he was. I didn't grow up to see him practicing it. But I must tell you guys this. Whatever you are doing in this life, if it's not profitable, I don't see the reason why you should still hold that thing. Just like a businessman, if you're doing a business and the business is not paying you, you're not making profit out of it. A businessman should know that there is no point continuing with that business. It's either you look for another business or you increase your price. You increase your price in a situation whereby the business is moving. People are buying the product and you don't even sell any product without making sure profit is enough for you. So the truth here is that when you are selling something and that thing is not moving, a, a businessman should know that it's either to move to another business, invest in another business, or you do the necessary advert to get people to buy it. And if you do the necessary advert and people still don't like the product, you move to another thing. Our forefathers have been doing this tradition of a thing, and we didn't call the Western world to come and pull us out of it. The Western world came by themselves. They didn't come here saying that we have committed a crime against them or against God. They came here with their wars. They came here to pack our people because they were looking for cheap labor to work in their farms and in their factories. They killed most of us. They took us by force. And these same people introduced Christianity to us. And here we are bragging, we are Christians, we are Christians, we are Christians, my people. Can't we think? Can't we think? Take Nigeria as example. The people that suffer the most in Nigeria are Christians. Whereas the Pope is there. The Pope is a Christian. America is there. The world power, they are Christians. They are not coming to your aid. Instead, when it's supposed to be the turn of a Christian to become president, and they rigged the election and gave it to a Muslim, the same Christian American came and congratulated the Muslim president imposed on the people. The sharing of vital position in this country goes to Muslims. America will not come to intervene. The Pope will not say a word. If the Pope claims he is a righteous man, your work should be having eyes on every Christian continent to know what's happening to your Christians. Because as you say in the Christian world, Christians are the sheep of God, and the Pope is the one taking care of the sheep of God. So if Christians in Nigeria, a farmer who is rearing sheep, and you divide them into 10 rooms, you don't just check one room. You don't just check 9 rooms and leave one room, no matter what is going there. You will not check one room to see if disease is disturbing the ones in that room, or if there is any animal attacking the sheep in that room, wolf or tiger or lion. If you claim to be a pope that is handling the affairs of Christians, the number one Christian in the Catholic Church, and you are not looking up to other Christians in other parts of the world, then it means you don't care. I have always said it. To me, Christians in Nigeria doesn't matter. Christianity is just a scam. Yes, because at some point, there are things about Christianity that are hidden. Why would they be hidden? In their libraries, there are things, documents leading to 2,000, 4,000 years ago that they don't want you to know. Thou shalt not kill, that's what he said in the Bible. But the Pope will sit down with military officers and support the war between one military group and the other, and people will be slaughtered. Christians, those that call yourself Christians, what I know is this: no matter what Africa do, Africa is not a Christian continent and will never be. For you claiming to be Christian in Africa, you are just deceiving yourself. That is what I have to say now. Thank you for watching and